Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Let's say you receive tons of message all at once, but you just want to reply to one similar message. You can do that by selecting it on Instagram. Let me show you how you guys can do it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing, you want to go on the messaging section of Instagram. To do that, you need to click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now in my, it shows me the messenger icon because my Instagram is connected with Messenger. In your case, it should show you a little arrow icon, so don't get confused, alright? Click on it and it's going to bring you to the message section of Instagram where all of the message is going to be displayed over here. Now from this, choose a message to whom you want to reply. Let's say I want to reply to Witchy Kevin. I will click on it. Now if I just randomly type something over here, the message is going to be replied just like this. But let's say I want to reply to the specific message which says KABAKA and I want to reply to this message. What I can do is just swipe right over here like this on the message and it's going to display me this at the bottom which says replying to KABAKA, which means now if I type something over here and click on send, it's going to reply to that specific message. So if I click on send, the message is going to show this over here, which means the other person will know that this reply is just for that specific message. So just swipe right and then type whatever you want and click on send, and that's basically how you guys can reply to a specific message on Instagram. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Instagram related videos just like this. And the thing which I just did, you can do it on like a group chat message as well or in Facebook message as well, doesn't matter. The steps are same, just swipe right, type reply. It'll work in any message, even in WhatsApp, alright? So hope you understand. Bye bye everybody.